Okay, this is a thermostatic oil bath, and the temperature range is 50 to 300 degrees. And first, when the switch is off, we need to pour the oil. Yeah, and pour it about 1 centimeter away from the opening. And next, we need to insert the stand. Okay, the stand will show the temperature, and the temperature will used to compare with the temperature show with the equipment. Okay, then we show the plug the power. Okay, turn on. Okay, when you use, you need to set up the temperature you need. For example, 300. Okay, then press start. If you finished your work, you need to press stop first and turn off the power. And if you need to pour the oil, you need to wait the temperature on the about 100 degrees. Okay, if you need to pour the oil, you need when the switch is open. Yes, then pour it from here.
Thanks for watching the tutorial video prepared by HD Yoga Manufacturing.